un ciel dégagé. On a regardé la lune s'effacer. On a imploré les dieux et l'homme.
Ciebie tylko złota, złota. Kiedy masz podziurki w nosie tego błota, błota. Droga mafinowa gada na lata jak korweta. Gdy regenerator gada raga bez dopalacza. A cza, to jest moja siła napędowa. Jedna nawika, druga nawika z gardła wypływa. Do raga tokan, piąty dan uderza tak. Co? Jak? Biniman. Every road girl, give a fun time. Regenerator man is a champion. Every road boy have a fun time. Regenerator man a singing dancehall. My sweetie princess, have a fun time. I send you special kisses. Every road boy, every road girl, singing dancehall, shaking. Kiedy dookoła ciebie tylko złota, złota. Kiedy masz podziurki w nosie tego błota, błota. Raga mafinowa gada na lata jak korweta.
Nie ma punktów widocznych.
Rocket lights so damn unseen, with negativity and just slow to drift. And no, you never know when it may cross your shit. Emptiness is run on this tree. The bucket's left the inside unseen, and with a blow the spark stops its glow, and then nothing comes out of the seed that has grown. Sick, my body's gonna sicker. Too much fog on the show where the light glow before getting wet by the drip. Another wick has got the mist. When glowing it used to be, glowing it used to be, covered with brown green leaves. Oh, but a cold wind blow that kept its glow from shining, and frozen some leafless watched these leaves drop down.
Solo me importa el camino que camino. A mí, los míos, mejor o peor, los míos, sin olvidar.
Chez nous, certains prennent goût à agresser gratuitement et à taxer tes sous. Un peu partout, chez toi, chez nous, c'est chaud, car un petit nombre agit avec des œillères au cerveau. Rarement sale à tous les coups, certains prennent goût à salir l'honneur de avant tout. Celui qui stresse tout le monde sans cesse, voit pas le problème dans son dos, car derrière lui il y a ses actes qui blessent et grossissent le rang des idiots. Celui qui agresse tout le monde sans cesse ne fait qu'apporter de l'eau en quantité.
This is a story of misinterpretation with the rotten smell of cheese.
The man he walked into the station, he sat down and stared what to see. He was a little bit stirred when shaken. Yes, it was definitely a case of LSD, and he assumed to have made a gesture of which he did not. What had he done? What he had done? Think lost, or when his skin I cut it up with a pure white fear, reaching for security. Well, not there, was trapped in the sphere of a negative perception. It was created by the eyes of the ones who stared, and now the subject of filth is the pig. And the pig is what they thought, because he thought, and he was stretching his hands.